Just a quick tip for those people who might struggle to find the correct brush in the brush library when maybe they're following a tutorial. It can be a little bit confusing because if you have updated to the newest version of Procreate, by default now it's going to show you the Procreate library brushes, and you won't necessarily see the original classic library. All you need to do to find those up here is click on the arrow back to library, and then you've got the choice. You can alternate between the classic library and the Procreate library. But in addition to that, if you just scroll it down, a little search bar appears, and then you can start to type the name of the brush. It shows you the brush and it also shows you the location. And then you can tap on that. It takes you to the different classic library or the Procreate library and opens that brush for you. Also, if you created your own library brushes, then the search bar is a really good way to find specific brushes. So don't worry, you have all of the brushes that have ever been available on Procreate. They're all there. You just need to go back to the brush libraries and you can pick between them really easily. I'm going to do more tips like this about Procreate as well as my standard art tutorials. Hit subscribe if it's useful, and I'll see you again.